Rahim. Alhamdulillahi wa kafa wa salamun ala ibadihi alladhina astafa amma ba'd. Okay, so I am giving you the quick revision of what we learned previously. In the very beginning, we learned the letters, the huruful tahji. Those are 29. From amongst the 29 letters, there are 7 heavy letters. Okay, after that, we learned the compound letters, how to join one letter with the another. Then we learned the vowel sounds, and the short vowel sounds were, which is called the harakat. It is zabar, zair and pesh. Okay, then we learned the tanween and nation. It has the noon sound in it, that's why it is called the tanween. So it is 2 zabar, 2 zair and 2 pesh. This is called the tanween. Then we learned the quiescent letters. Okay, quiescent letters means the letter which has the quiescent sign or jazm sign over it. So it is dependent on its predecessor. Okay, so that letter has to be joined with its previous letter. Okay, we learned all these things. Now we are going to learn about the long vowel sounds. The short vowel sounds were to be pronounced quickly and smoothly without jerking, without elongating. But as you can see that we are moving to the long vowel sounds. So the long vowel sounds means they have to be dragged. Okay, they should not be read quickly because those are the long vowel sounds. Like in English, we say rat, at is read quickly. But when we say rate, eight, so it is elongation. Similarly, here also, we are going to learn zabar, zair and pesh only. But the vertical zabar, vertical zair and reversed pesh. Okay. So, as you remember that the zabar sign was a stroke, a slanting line. But the vertical zabar is in the standing position. So, the vertical zabar is a long vowel sound. So, how do you read this? We read with elongation. We read alif, khada, zabar, a. Our mouth should be wide open. Okay. Alif, khada, zabar, a. It is not a. A means zabar and a means khada zabar. Okay. Ba khada zabar ba. Ta khada zabar ta. Sa khada zabar sa. Jim khada zabar ja. Ha khada zabar ha. Kho khada zabar kho. The heavy letters should sound heavy even in this. Okay. Dal khada zabar da. Zal khada zabar za. Ro khada zabar ro. Za khada zabar za. Sin khada zabar sa. Shin khada zabar sha. Sod khada zabar so. Bod khada zabar do. To khada zabar to. Zo khada zabar zo. Ain khada zabar a. Goin khada zabar go. Fa khada zabar fa. Qaf khada zabar qo. Kaf khada zabar ka. Lam khada zabar la. Mim khada zabar ma. Noon khada zabar na. Waw khada zabar wa. Ha khada zabar ha. Hamzah khada zabar a. Ya khada zabar ya. Now let's see the practice exercise for vertical zabar. Yes, I read khada zabar. Okay, so khada is a Urdu word. If you want to skip the Urdu word and if you want to say alif vertical zabar a, ba vertical zabar ba, you can say vertical zabar or khada zabar. Anyway, whichever way is convenient or easy for you, you can use that word. Either vertical or khada. Okay. Then you have alif vertical zabar or khada zabar a. Ya khada zabar ya. A, ya. You have to drag alif also and ya also because both have the vertical zabar over it. Ta, do, pesh, tun. A, ya, tun. Okay, you cannot say a, ya, tun. Ya, if you say ya means ya zabar ya. Here it is not zabar, it is vertical zabar. So you have to drag both alif and ya. A, ya, tun. A, ya, tun. Then you have sin zabar sa, jim vertical zabar ja, sa ja. The ya besides the jim is a silent ya, okay? Sa ja. Then you have qaf zabar qa, lam vertical zabar la, qala, ala, ghawa, arso, Arso. Try to pronounce each letter with all its articulation points and all its qualities. Okay. Arso. Arsa. Arsa. Can you see arso and arsa? There is a difference between the two. The sword should be pronounced heavily and the sin should be pronounced lightly because both have different meanings. Okay. So arsa. Togo. Togo. Ila. Ata. Da'a. Ro'a. It is ro zabar ro and the vertical zabar is above alif, not the ya. Okay, the ya is a silent letter. Alif vertical zabar a, ro a, yaro, ishaq. How do you do the hijra of this? Alif sin zir is ha vertical zabar ha is ha qaf zabar qa is haq. Then you have akhara, Adam, Athara, Azara. Okay, I'm repeating again. Ayatun, Saja, Wala, Ala, Gova, Arso, Arsa, Togo, Ila, Ata, Da'a, Ra'a, يرى إسحاق آخر آدم آثر آزر.